I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make a 6-pointed snowflake or star, whichever you want to call it. Each one of you should have received a bag full of goodies when you picked up your materials last week. And the baggies are all different. They don't all look the same. They have random colors and 3 of the same color pipe cleaners in there. And I'm going to show you how to put this together. Now, when I made all of these baggies up, I took into consideration the fact that we had been doing pattern making in math. So every one of these beads are divided equally. Each color is divided so that it can be a multiple of 6, because there's 6 points on the star, so that you could, if you wanted, make a pattern. So let me show you what I've got so far. I'm going to present under the document camera, which is hard for me. I get confused. There it is. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. There we go. I went ahead and already took all of my materials out of my bag. Now, when you take these out, I should have told you up front, make sure you have a small bowl or something to put your beads in. As you see, I used a mask because that's all I had handy right here at school. And so I separated my colors because I want to make a pattern. Patterns are fun. And then I decided I would see how many of each bead I had. Well, these really pretty beads, they're kind of bigger and they're clear, kind of crystally. I have 6 of those. So that means I'm only going to be able to put 1 on each star point. I have 12 of the white beads. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that means I'm going to take this and put it over here. I can put 1 of the clear beads. I can put 2 white beads, and I have 24 red ones. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So that means I can put 4 red beads, 2 white beads, and 1 crystal clear bead on each star point. I'm going to set my beads over here for now. So there we go. Now I can take these and make a pattern. There are all kinds of different ways you can make a pattern. I'm going to look at mine and see how I want mine to look. I think I want this middle bead in the middle. That means it'll be 3 on each side. So what if I do this? There. How about that? Okay. That's going to be my pattern. This is the pattern I choose. Again, you can do yours however you want. And again, each bag has a different pattern that can be divided into 6 and make it for each star, each point of the star. So take 2 of your pipe cleaners and try to get it sort of in the middle, somewhere in the middle there, and twist them together a couple times. Give them a good twist. So now they're stuck together. Now they look like a little man going, ah, help me, help me. So now we need 1 more pipe cleaner to add. Try and gauge where the middle is and take it, bend each side over that one. And, well, give it a twist before you bend it. Give it a twist and put each one on each side. And the thing with these guys is pretty much just twist it till you have 6 sides. You twist 2 together and then you add the 3rd one. And then you have 6 points. And you know, stars aren't perfect. Snowflakes aren't perfect. And Mrs. Morris is the least perfect of all. So there you go. You have 6 points. So here's my pattern. I think I'll start with this one. So I'm going to put red, then white, then red, then crystal. We could sing about snow. Here comes Susie Snowflake, dressed in a snowflake gown, snow white gown. Here we go. There we go. There's my pattern. I'm going to choose to repeat that pattern 6 times so that my snowflake or star, depending on what you want to call it, is even all the way around. Now you take this last one and you bend it in half and you stick this extra little end. Be careful, don't poke yourself. It can be sharp on the end. And try to get it so that it goes back into this hole. You see that? Doesn't, just, there you go. Shove it back in that little hole there and then bend it over again and you've got it. Then it won't fall off. Then you repeat the process. I'll do one more, but then you repeat the process if you want a pattern. And you make your pattern. You can make whatever pattern you want, or you cannot make a pattern. You could do every other one a certain way, however you find it lovely and how you want to create your snowflake / star, whatever you would like to call your creation. And remember, you take the end, fold it over, and you put that little pointy end, being really careful not to poke yourself. But my class and Miss Wise's class, we've worked with needles, so you guys know how to be careful. Here we go. Poke it in there, bend it over a little, and there you go. Then you just repeat it. You've got yourself a star or a snowflake. If you want to hang it on your tree, ask your mom for a ribbon or a string. You can tie it on the middle, and you can hang it on your tree. Or if you don't celebrate Christmas and you want to hang it somewhere else, go right ahead. Do whatever you would like. There you go. And I hope you enjoy this project.